Hello everyone, this is Home Business Expert. I'm really excited to share with you a few things. We have 3 things going on here. Number 1, we have our first winner. Number 2, I have an announcement that finally the course is here. Follow the rest of the video to learn about that. And number 3, I have more prizes to give away. So if you aren't already, subscribe to my channel, get notifications, and get more videos like these where you're going to get prizes as well as you're going to get information on how you can start your own business from home. Thanks for watching Home Business Expert. Check out the rest of this video to learn more. Okay guys, so in my last video, if you remember, I told you in order to qualify for the prize, you had to subscribe to my website, and I'll show you, and this is going to be the same thing for this prize as well. So if you want to win the next prize, and stay tuned for that, you need to go to amyhunt.biz. It looks like this. Again, I don't mention this a whole lot, but if you want one-on-one help, I do have options. You can just click learn more and it'll take you to what your options are, and I can give you some one-on-one help and getting yourself started. But right here, you're going to scroll down and it says subscribe. So if you have subscribed and then you have commented on this video, you will be eligible to win the next prize. And this person that has won this prize this week, and if you remember, the first prize I'm giving away was the wireless phone charger. The person that won it this week is Mini Bonzel or Mini Bonsal. I don't know how you say it, but you'll have to let me know. You need to contact me via my website. You'll find my email address there. If not, comment below your name and I'll help you find it. But I want you to email me, get in contact with me. If you want this prize, I will send it to you. Contact me via email. And we'll figure out your address and that sort of thing. But why I picked her or him, Mini Bonsal, I do have that. This is the comment, and I thought it was kind of a riot. And I feel like a lot of us have the similar experiences. There's always some kind of frustration. I do have a silly phone story for you. They said, last Christmas I was in England visiting and staying with my elderly mother in her little upstairs apartment. Don't they call that a flat? Maybe. I went shopping midday and came back one day and came back in the dark to find I was locked out of her flat. Okay, yeah, flat. I didn't have a key in my absence. Mum had decided to sink a few drinkies and wobbled off to bed, leaving me stranded and biting cold outside. I grabbed my phone, called my sister who lives half an hour away to see if she could help. Here's where it gets weird though. LOL. Right at the very moment her phone rang, she was just about to sit down on her toilet. Her phone was in her pocket and she heard plop and realized it had fallen into the toilet. So I was outside wondering why on earth no one was responding to me. Good news is I made such a racket. My tipsy old mom woke up and I got back in. LOL. So congratulations. I'm going to send you that free phone charger. So I have a couple exciting things to share with you. Number 1 is the next prize, and then an additional prize that isn't even mine, that came about because of my announcement of my new course with Dsmtool and Amzscout. So look in the description below if you're interested in that. They're actually, Udemy just put a sale on for $11.99. It's only supposed to last 4 days, so if you watch this video outside of 4 days, the price is going to change. I can't always give coupons. I have a limited number. So I would jump on that right away. Like as soon as you're done watching this video, go in the link or search. But I want to show you something about my course real quick. If I go up here in the top right hand corner of my screen and I go to new incognito window, what that is basically, it's a brand new, you can read that right there. You can pause it, but there's no activity that's tracked. So in other words, sometimes when you search, the internet holds cookies or whatever, and it knows what you're looking for, and it'll bring your stuff up as like an influencer. So as a YouTuber, I'll see my videos more. But if you go to a new incognito window, it's starting fresh, like a blank slate. So if I go to Udemy and I type in Dsmtool and Amzscout, And this is what I'm telling you guys. No one else is doing this method for dropshipping. So be in the front in learning how to get products that no one else is selling. Good products too. My course will teach you that. But I want you to show you this, that I'm not just kidding you. Excuse me, for some reason Udemy has put my course that's $94.99, and as an instructor it's like, oh my gosh, you know. But hey, for you it is like way super discounted. I have no control over them doing that. They're running a special. It's $11.99 for the next 4 days. So jump on that. It ends, as you can see, October 26th. So you have a few days, but if you're like me, I forget to do stuff, so I do it right away as possible. So, I want to go back to this in the course. If you do a search for Dsmtool and Amzscout, this is proving to you that there are no other courses out there with the two softwares put together to dropship. So what's this showing you? Right there I am at the top of your search. There's my other course as well. But there are no other courses teaching you how to use Amzscout and Dsmtool to learn how to sell products on eBay. You can even learn how to sell them on Amazon and other platforms too. But you can take these two ideas and merge them together, and you're going to be selling things like you've probably never sold before, because they're going to be unique products versus some other ways that have been taught on how to find products. Now, what are the other two things I have to tell you? Number one, and the other thing is more exciting after this, the next week's prizes, and maybe this doesn't thrill a whole lot of you, but these are 18 karat gold plated earrings. I'm giving away 2 sets to 2 different people. So I don't know that the camera's picking it up. Okay, so they're hoop earrings, 18 karat gold. Maybe you know a female that would like them. Maybe you know a male that would like them. But that's weird. But for you, for someone, for Christmas, for birthday, for gift, just because you got them free, here's a gift. That's the next prize. A couple weeks after that, I have some other things I'm giving away. Like I said before, a PS4 controller, hand sanitizer, that's worth $40. And here is one of my favorite things to collect. I'll hold it still. Is silver coins and different coins. I've collected coins since I was little, and this is a 2020. This is a 2020 silver round. Okay, so that's going to be up. Just stay tuned. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, enable notifications, and you'll see if that's the month's prize. Check back the first week of November for another prize. So the next thing that's most exciting to me for a prize is Dsmtool saw my video on launching a course with their software, and they contacted me, and they're actually going to give away over $200 worth of a package for one of my subscribers. So stay tuned to learn how you could possibly win that in the future. That is super exciting. That is probably more than all the stuff I'm giving away in the next few weeks, but that's exciting. And hopefully you can check out the course, get involved, learn how to do it. If you've never done anything like this before, don't worry. I talk you through it slowly from scratch, even from the start of an email. It's almost 4 hours long, but there's a lot of stuff that if you've already taken one of my courses, or you already have an email set up, you already have PayPal, eBay, you can kind of skip through some of those videos and go to the things that you need to learn. But thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to qualify to win these earrings, comment below. Oh, here's how you win the earrings. You need to comment below what the hardest thing or craziest thing of your online shopping in the last 8 months, something that has happened, or maybe a frustration, but something to do with online shopping, a frustration you've had, something funny, something frustrating, something you like or found, maybe a different way to get some cash back, something to do with online shopping. Soon look forward to a video about AliExpress. I'm going to talk a little bit about AliExpress and my experience with them. But again, thanks for watching Home Business Expert. Hope to see you in the next video.